So let's start. Tan 19 pi by 3 is equal to what? If you look at this circle, a full revolution, a full anticlockwise revolution around this circle is plus 2 pi radians by convention. Okay, so how can we break down 19 pi by 3 in terms of 2 pi? So 19 pi by 3 is actually equal to 2 pi plus 2 pi plus 2 pi plus pi by 3, or in short 6 pi plus pi by 3. Okay, you'll see in a second why I'm breaking them down in terms of 2 pi. So 2 pi makes things convenient for us, right? So if we started from this point and moved anti-clockwise, after a 2 pi revolution around this circle, we'll come back exactly to this point and all our values will reset. Okay, what I mean by that is 10, 0 and 10, 2 pi are of the same values, right? Because they are the same angle in essence if you go around this circle. Okay, so 10 19 pi by 3 is actually in essence equal to 10 pi by 3, which is equal to root 3 in value, and that's our final answer. Okay.